Oris Big Crown Bronze Pointer Date. Main features are: Oris case diameter is 39.77 millimeters, commonly rounded to 40 millimeters. Case thickness 12.05 millimeters. Lug-to-lug distance 47.5 millimeters to 48.6 millimeters, depending on bracelet versus strap integration. Lug width 20 millimeters. Case material multi-piece marine-grade bronze. Big Crown Bronze Pointer Date is a vintage-inspired Swiss pilot watch known for its specialized calendar display and aging metal case. Patina developing bronze. The 40 millimeters case, fluted bezel, and oversized crown are solid bronze, causing the watch to darken and oxidize uniquely based on your wearing habits. Pointer date display uses a dedicated, crescent-tipped central hand to point to the date on an outer dial track, instead of a standard date window. Oversized Big Crown. A historic aviator-designed feature originally built so pilots could easily adjust the time while wearing thick leather gloves. Oris 754 Automatic Movement. A mechanical Swiss caliber offering a 38-hour power reserve, an instantaneous date changer, and a stop seconds hacking feature. Exhibition Caseback. Features a stainless steel rear frame to protect your skin from bronze oxidation, with a clear window showcasing Oris's signature red winding rotor. Domed sapphire crystal. Highly scratch-resistant top glass with an inner anti-reflective coating to minimize glare in bright sunlight. Super Luminova. Applied heavily to the cathedral-style hands and Arabic indices for high visibility in dark conditions. 50 meters water resistance. Rated at 5 bar, making it safe for daily splashes, rain, and light surface swimming. Crystal. Top double-domed sapphire glass with an internal anti-reflective coating. Dial colors. Available in bronze, forest green, blue, brown, and Bordeaux red.